It's Josh here. I started riding bikes about 2 months ago, and now I'm about to go purchase my first bike tomorrow. And so I'll keep you guys posted on that, how that goes. That's good, man. I'm super excited. I'm super excited. I'm not gonna tell you what it is yet, but I will tell you it is a leader bike. It will be my first bike, and I know what you guys are saying. Like, you just started riding 2 months ago, and I know that I can handle an 1,000. I know some people like, hey, that's too strong for you, especially like the experts, whatever. But it's just personal preference. That's what I've heard a lot, and I'm just going with my personal preference. I'm all about doing what you think is best for yourself. Like, I know I wouldn't have the money to buy another bike after this, even if I did sell a 600 or whatnot. I'd rather just go ahead and buy the bigger bike now so I can learn on it. I'm out here in Cali because I am in the military. I'm starting on a high level, but my expectations are like just low because I know, like, hey, I'm gonna be kind of nervous to do this and that, but I am comfortable with my abilities of controlling a bike, you know, going certain speeds, but anything above, 100, absolutely not there. So we'll figure that out, man. I'll just keep you guys posted because it's going to be a good time, man. I'm very excited. Get into this bike life, get into bike culture. It definitely is a wild feeling for sure. It definitely is a wild feeling. Shout out to my boys that's helped me get this far. Eels, Mendez, Crenity, Casas, like those 4 guys really have made an impact on me purchasing this bike and just getting into it, man. So parents is not with it. Some of my friends like, yo, dude, you're gonna die, but I'm not even thinking about that, man. I'm not wishing that for myself. I mean, if I do get hurt, I get hurt. You get hurt in everything that you do. So I'm just letting reality like come into play whenever it wants to. Hey, I'll keep you guys posted about tomorrow. Peace. All right, about to go get this bike, man. Time to ride. So I bought it the other day. Should have made the video, but I completely forgot. But it's at my boy's house right now, and me and my boy about to go ride. It's currently 8 o'clock. I'm kind of late. I told him I was gonna be there at 8. Let's get it. Just pulled up. This is my boy's Kawasaki ZRX-10R. It's my R1 right here. Let's ride, baby. Stalled out the light. Gotta learn to lean the bike. Just gotta watch that throttle, man. Yes, sir. clutch, man. It's got that. It's got this little lever on it. It's at 3.
The next light.
Okay. I might have to turn it down to 1.
What?
I might have to turn this down to 1. But releasing it, it's like, it's stiff. Let's get it, man. Yes, sir, man. We just vibing, man. We just vibing. Put it on 2. This shit nice, man. Yes, sir. Here at Bill's. Don't have my part yet, but we about to go get some breakfast because we hungry. Let's get this breakfast, man. I'm hungry, baby. Got J. Cole playing. We lit, man. We mobbing. Let's go. I just gotta get more comfortable on these turns, man. I'll be good. More comfortable on these turns and I'll be straight. Like I said, it's my first bite. I'm comfortable with it though. We mobbing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh. All right, there we go.